The next section talks about the demos. How do you contact the vendor essentially and get a demo scheduled, that kind of thing. Again, this is a free product, freely available. It's not required. The equipment is a pretty detailed area about what equipment is needed outside of an internet access and the browser. Is there special software required? Does it have a mobile app? In this case, it doesn't. And are there any constraints about how much internet speed or et cetera? So again, these are things that will, once you start to get thinking you're going to maybe implement this, you'll want to look into this area to make sure it's easy to do.